There are millionaires and even billionaires who have lost it all due to poor financial decisions. While they might not be buying unnecessary branded items, they might be making multi-million-dollar mistakes. The real difference between the rich and the poor isn't the amount of money. It's the mindset, the education, and the choices they make every single day. Today, we're delving into the mind of none other than the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett. We'll uncover the 7 things he believes poor people often waste their money on. Warren Buffett, one of the world's wealthiest individuals, is known for his frugal habits and wise investment choices. So, when he points out financial pitfalls, it's worth paying attention. Number 1. New cars. We all love that new car smell, don't we? But Buffett warns against the allure of brand new vehicles. The moment you drive a new car off the lot, its value depreciates significantly. Instead, consider buying a reliable used car. Let someone else take that initial depreciation hit. Save money and invest the difference. Buffett himself drove a 2006 Cadillac for years, emphasizing the value of utility over luxury. Number 2. Expensive brands. Designer labels might boost our social status, but do they boost our bank accounts? Buffett thinks not. He believes in getting value for money rather than paying for a brand name. Both shirts serve the same purpose, so why pay a premium for a logo? Instead, focus on quality and functionality. Remember, it's not about being cheap, it's about being smart with your money. Number 3. Unnecessary high-interest debt. Credit cards can be convenient, but their high interest rates can be a silent wealth killer. Buffett advises against accumulating high-interest debt for non-essential purchases. If you can't afford to pay off your credit card balance in full every month, reconsider that purchase. High-interest compounds, eating into your potential savings. Instead, focus on clearing high-interest debts and avoid accumulating new ones. Let your money work for you, not against you. And if you want to learn more about how the rich use debt to get richer, watch the first video in the description. Of course, only after you watch this one. Now, let's continue with the video. Number 4. Dining out too often. While there's nothing wrong with treating yourself occasionally, frequent dining out can quickly add up. Buffett, despite his wealth, is often seen at his favorite fast food joint, making a calculated choice on how to spend on the day's stock market performance. Cooking at home not only saves money but also promotes healthier eating habits. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar that can be invested. So, the next time you're about to order takeout, think twice. Your wallet and waistline will thank you. Number 5. Expensive habits and vices. We all have our vices, but some are more costly than others. Buffett emphasizes the long-term financial and health implications of habits, like smoking, excessive drinking, and gambling. These habits not only drain your finances, but can also lead to costly health issues in the future. Imagine if the money spent on these vices were invested instead. Opt for healthier, less expensive habits. Your future self will be grateful. Number 6. Not investing in oneself. One of Buffett's most famous quotes is, "The best investment you can make is in yourself." Yet, many neglect this invaluable advice. Whether it's buying books, taking courses, or attending seminars, investing in personal growth can yield exponential returns. Knowledge is a tool that can unlock countless opportunities. Think of it this way. Investing in a stock might double your money, but investing in yourself, you can multiply your earning potential manyfold. Number 7. Buying things they don't need. In the wise words of Buffett, if you buy things you don't need, soon you will have to sell things you need. Impulse purchases might bring momentary joy, but they often lead to buyer's remorse. Before making a purchase, ask yourself, do I really need this? Can I live without it? More often than not, you'll find the answer is yes. Adopting a minimalist approach not only declutters your space, but also your finances. Remember, building wealth isn't just about making more. It's also about spending wisely. As we've learned from Buffett, avoiding these financial pitfalls is a step in the right direction. The big picture. While we've highlighted 7 things poor people often waste money on, it's essential to understand the overarching theme: financial discipline and literacy. It's not about depriving yourself, but about making informed decisions. Every dollar you spend is a dollar that could have been saved, invested, or used to improve your life in a meaningful way. Financial freedom isn't a destination, it's a journey, and every choice you make impacts your path. The Buffett Way. Warren Buffett's success isn't solely based on his investment acumen. It's also due to his frugal habits, his consistent thirst for knowledge, and his unparalleled discipline. He didn't become the Oracle of Omaha overnight. It took years of consistent effort, learning, and, most importantly, avoiding the common financial pitfalls many fall into. So, the next time you're about to make a financial decision, ask yourself, what would Buffett do? And remember this, everything we've discussed, these money-wasting habits, they're not exclusive to the poor. That's right. Many wealthy individuals fall into these traps as well. Wealth doesn't necessarily equate to financial wisdom. So, if you want to learn more, watch this video appearing on the screen right now. I'll see you there.